I want to show you how to easily detach your resin paste from a silicone mold if they are stuck together after curing. Now, if you find yourself in this situation, your silicone mold is already damaged because you probably introduced a lot of heat to it when you were trying to maybe pop the bubbles, and you probably used a blowtorch on your silicone mold, which would melt your silicone mold together with your resin, and then they cure together and it gets stuck together. Now, this trick will not save your silicone mold, but it will help you demold the already cured resin that you have, so that you don't tear the mold or cause a lot of damage to the mold, or have silicone transferred to your resin piece, to avoid you having to do a lot of cleanup like sanding that normally you wouldn't have to do if it didn't get stuck to the mold. So now one of the tricks that you can use is use a heat gun to melt the resin, or melt the resin in the spots where the silicone is stuck to it, and then at interval check if it's getting flexible to detach. So while you're doing this, try to wear a glove or something thicker so that you won't burn your hand in the process, because the silicone will get very hot. So as soon as the resin is melted enough to detach from the silicone mold, it will easily pop out. You'll be able to easily just demold it normally instead of forcing it out. You can continue the process for the rest of it, and then you can also use this for most of the molds that you have. Now, if you know beforehand that your silicone mold is already damaged, like you've used it before and then you've seen that it gets stuck to the resin piece, but you still have to use that mold because that's the only one you have at the time, what you do is not to allow the resin to fully cure inside the mold. So if it's something that you can remove before 24 hours, remove the resin before 24 hours so that it doesn't fully cure inside the mold, because once it cures inside the mold, it will cure together with the silicone mold. But if you're going to be removing a resin piece that is not fully cured, you have to look for a clean and nice surface that it would cure on without it attaching to the surface. So don't put it on your table, because when it cures, it will cure on the table. You can get a baking paper and then just place the resin on the baking paper so that when it fully cures, you can easily just remove it from the surface. So if you try this trick out, let me know if it worked for you. Let me know if you have other ways that you tackle this issue of molds getting stuck together with your silicone piece. Thank you. Bye.